For my adaptive learning tutorial, I chose to talk about Grammar Monster. Grammar Monster can be found at www.grammar-monster.com. Grammar Monster is an online free tool, and it's a fabulous online free tool. No login is required to use Grammar Monster, and people can use it whenever they want to, at home or at school. You will find the following on Grammar Monster: a glossary, lessons, videos, list, grammar list, games, quizzes, and more. Here is a Grammar Monster page that is covering nouns. To the left, you will find the lesson, and to the right, you will find the quiz. On Grammar Monster, teachers can locate video lessons, like those shown to the right. Grammar Monster has an entire section entitled Easily Confused Words, where over 220 word pairs are compared, and they talk about how they're easily confused word matches, like accept and except, as shown here. On Grammar Monster, students can play these grammar games: Word Up, Tetris, Countdown, Match, Wordle, Hangman, Bubble Pop, and Go Fish. Here is an example of what a Grammar Monster quiz looks like. As an instructional designer, I would integrate Grammar Monster this way. I would use Grammar Monster lessons in my for my ESL classes lessons, for my grammar K through 6 lessons, and for my special ed class K through 6 lessons. Grammar Monster offers the following. I would add these things: Grammar Monster exercises, games, and quizzes to these lessons. Also, Grammar Monster also offers Grammar Monster lessons that can be used for extra work. The instructional design process in and of itself is a fairly lengthy process. The instructional designer, when they are designing a e-course, they must determine the learner's needs. An entire assessment can follow. They must create the course, and they must have a lot of, must be talented, and they must know how to design the course. They must add a lot of technologies to the course. Then they finally have to test the students. TPAC principles are used when the instructional design process is going on, and they have to add pertinent technology. They have to choose a technology that fits the class, and they have to choose something that suits the content being discussed. To share Grammar Monster pages with classmates or fellow teachers, an individual needs to go to the end of each Grammar Monster page, and there they will find a share link or a create a QR code icon. I highly recommend Grammar Monster as a K through 6 EdTech tool. And that's it, and thank you for watching.